Ghana hankwa na sofo hye nkom a enkom no ye be chirechire bu be depend wo hye da amem wo to no ofom a ni abe ho live ni chirechire zem ke kan kwase asem ebusia o kai say nche bia blog ka chire o say media no so o mu di fire wo jadwuma e fa nkom hye obeto o de ba ya fa Ghana Blasters any FIFA World Cup 2026 no on say o hye ma ne to fom ye Osha man to fun ye e ma media so make come agent na this moment no fire wo just no kokwa Appiah wo be di atem wo be gum bi wo be di atem ankasa wo di Avraham be Moshe atem wo di Appiah stadium atem na fe bloggers ne TikTokers e kana asem no wo be yo bi afenfena mo so for di atem ba wo jire mu ai Penyah broke media mess wa say ni di mu over like if you don't know that and what subscribe button some back click notification icon for latest updates am ba chire wa adwun da ma me e wo comment section Mesra so baswa do wa share for anya bi ahye ohwe Ghana asofo na omu from adifo na de omu fra ne se nkomhye no me be fe ne luto oto ne dia do be gane nu amfa wosimbompa yeti ai san kwase asem no munyai onte ehua me nhwe mu wo kana be mu a hey do be ye dede na me kai na me hu ya me kwase dede sa amamu a wosimbompa yetwa mu over kai last year 31st December ana prophet fire uja edun come sheba ye say Ghana FIFA World Cup 2026 oh ja masa ya we cry you forget because ebe wie ye say dey we amuakuni edu no ebe ye fenflam
2025 Ghana for some World Cup and yes are going for Black Stars. Welcome Black Stars. Said ya two warm Africa Cup and said about two World Cup in
African Cup.
Me who ponko fitana metna no so ni bi no.
White horse.
Na me say ponko na wo.
I saw that the horse had given the
enkofo bi ba ponko no.
Some people were coming close to the horse.
Ponko the night kick enkofo no.
He kicked the people off.
No muni na tete ko hwe obachi.
All of them fell off.
Na me hu ye.
I looked at and saw
a team of friend Black Stars.
It was a team called Black Stars.
Ben ponko na ponko the now po wo ma kiki. He said general this is say ya na be ya wo mo.
This is what is going to happen.
World Cup. Now, a better bufu class in Africa Cup
terrible,
and people will start insulting them. That's what be any Black Star.
No hope.
World Cup, we say that money. We did the prophet, they didn't recall.
O can say when I say dey am share kraba. E tan boy ebonya say nda so bia no but yemrante emeburu no Black Stars team no el prove say omu wo ho. Oh, your group 1 no wa boy adwuma. At the end of the group stage no Ghana team apuli 25 points. Yabobra pa goals there you 17 just oh yabobra. Ghana yabobra. As a bet me cry 6 goals any 6 points. Am Nigeria for still be qualify for World Cup. What is here? Let's and some na Prophet fire o be counted first December no. Nyansa bia enim. Nyansa ba kokura se binim. Nyansa ba kokura se enim. And now so my media and so be clash here no. I can imagine children.
Oh, sorry, I woke up this small boy. We and chance on your spiritual things more. No way, dear, no him. Wait. I don't want to insult that. You cut to me away. I don't know the kind of people I'm about on channel. Me name send on my drink here. Ghana no my qualify and come and do your damage control. What your plan? Which I shall say, Kasa. What your monko some calling chain? Why, monko? You can't share my muntie o monko. Oh yeah, na you say way.
Na emu no, it is a fire wuja enso edwa lie. Ene no oba live na live no. Na nye fedi agoro. Hey, obobo na adwen ka kire say ye Jimmy nyina sofo a. Ka kire say Ghana for say mo na wa ha.
Black Stars team na damensem. Maybe I'm a pen and chimco. Move on to Mudirim. You see a damensem. Whether you like it or not, a damensem. Mpenifor or more sha or more shema or make us say you munim prophet no. Intimude munino. Namun funny men diagrosa, namun diatem, as a man kaya munquaka into social media, Nanko for the diatem, me mintie me, me mam content mama post me per trend this year aduane. Yes, Black Star team me say that me say repeat it. Yeah. Enti mungusua mwa sande bo no mo tambo ni sei na mo de abasofo de o kan ni na sa na esi but unim edu tamento ase me di mochi ese sade papa bia me ye matim ni me ye ma wo en se ni fi mo se de mo hye me bufu afcom leso na me de bufu kasa ni sie no en se me di mochi de style because mo na mo wachi ni mo na mo wachi ni e bia pe na wo pe ball na sem keke bet e mu fa so obi ani wa wonya bi. Do you understand? Enti bloggers na mo post me pe trend muntie di as I say that new I am me pe trend no asem bi ba mo post ni mo share me no na me pe mo di matama na me ni age ma feel comfortable okay na prophecy na to what was nti say no e kwatri nti prophecy bi bia no obi abete na nye we yasaka mo megusu 700 mamu nko mu nu 1k mame 30 mame nya announcement ma wo mo no mo fa se kula amla 25th of this month 25th ya kwasiampe no say you are talking to man ka me ba me nyum na me no nkasa san crash ne ma mo fa ma me page show na me yesofo a wo ka me ya me ka odi me so me ni party say wa unim nyansa wontimi ya me one life no me nyam I came here to talk. You see your life. I'm from Jimmy no free me page no so me fa won de obeka fa me ho my ba page is you are talking nka me ba me mu ama no right na me wonyo saa o me wonyo saa o me na mu mi sa me nyo saa o se me yasofo na wo didi o matanu afa ho adi o keka kwase asa na akọ me wonjo saa o opani me dadie mi hunya bi na hu o cassette ya me na me hu me pa me fi me reply me reply o me pesa me dome wo so me dome o me wonyo saa o ite ma page ni so amake kankwase asama na wakọ because me yesofo share me nya sofo me ya prophet. I'm not a pastor. Pastors no want to was me ya prophet of God. Ite me church kankwase asam share. When you don't mind them share. When you don't mind me when you come on my page and you throw nonsense I will respond to you. Me fa on the obeka fa me ho. Okay. Me matras ale me nya sofo na bloggers ne enkofo hunhuna won keka cancel form me nya sa bia ma me tuma yi na matumi akasa ye. Praise God. We should don't mind them. Okay, me mwa. What is this? Now me message we abema message amana ko to Appiah stadium. So wa phone afofa mon femme face on fire with the flame. Me na mami kabi bincho. Nobody on this earth, no blogger can bring Prophet Jedidiah Henry Corey down. Nobody on this earth born by human being. When you joke with Prophet Firewood, you will see whatever you want to see. What Jimmy ana? I find me can accept video mo secret me. This is the video. Video me can accept Black Stars and qualify. This is the video. What Jimmy too much. Me ya say me ya kofuna ya this social media ebla ma se cassette. What is all this? You say Ghana will not go World Cup. I find me can ask him with. Stupid boy, I'm blocking the free page. So, why did I say that? The prophecy is there. Go and watch the full video. Prophecy in the Obicula post. This is the prophecy. This is the prophecy. Pay attention. This is the prophecy. See. Prophecy no more, no my cat no more. This is the prophecy. And from a as a Ghana and qualify for World Cup. What is all this nonsense? What's the who baby me a young met yap Simona for much answer? Ghana qualify to the World Cup. Watch the video. Watch. The AFCON. Watch. The prophecy. If I da AFCON on course by a prophet fire which make I say back Moshe video no. But the Penyah. Year 2025 Facebook is what the senior national team, the Blasters of Ghana, World Cup qualify anymore. In fact, the prophecy no. The patrol, the person who tell ye. Nothing. What's that? The whole baby in Ghana for? Hey, I'm for to stay the whole thing. See. Ghana qualified to the World Cup and right in the Comoros. What is all this? And video security. Hey, omo di omo ba bie ma na. Say okay, say Ghana qualify, no? See. What say? Send a year or AFCON no. AFCON you qualify and say you qualify. But you to me Andrechi. Prophecy no other ball. Muntie. See. We should we ba. She prophecy. I feel never. Pay attention. Okay. Say Ghana Jimmy does. See a prophecy. I didn't talk about the qualification of World Cup. See 2025. Ghana for some World Cup. Black Stars. Say you two Africa Cup. Said you two more World Cup no. San ya betu more Africa Cup nim. Na mo se me se o qualify. So kura unim nyansa 31st confirmation come with you. This prophecy catch you straight for say Ghana will qualify.
Why oja? I'm on Avraham be Moshe e clashe.
Avraham.
Yeah, fire oja.
Okay, now banda sa kanamento bi ma. They be play, you know.
What's it? Yeah, unim mistake moye. Mamu mfa mo ho na atomo kakra ne musika amonya no. Emfem be compare me nyansa. Mame mau advice we. What they di atem. You can own all the luxurious cars in the world. You can build all the mansions. But me catch said the legacy I will leave. Won't mean jemu wanted. Me mamwa no. I extort money in free omo. Ti efuto na me de ma wonde no. Men you su sa word ne wa ha bio. Sa obeto band la mame. Me start say me ti asole na okura won ti asole ti ha. Me ba ti debi you don't respect ti me mame ma. Me ma this warning. Mamu nye bio ti eye me na me de me ho abo afode tie debi tie ha me na me de me ho abo afode tie ha me munye sa mistake ni bio. Don't compare that physical material things na mo abo enipa no a mo gigi o musika in the name of God. Me ka se meti ku agigi ska ankanya mo size na me mo nyina mo beto me. None of you can compare himself to my intelligence and the impact. So be told data the amami. The catcher must say, I prefer to be called a poor person. I will leave a legacy. More be funny Jimmy Maha. What it? Huh? Now when Christopher Morgan, who was catching Bill Gates? Who was catching Elon Musk? Or Solomon? Huh? Me more when you pano me start this cafe ho. Me the respect na mamo kakrana. Mo bi amfa na agromba.
Abraham Moshe chief kwa. Abraham Moshe aye judge mi no. Me won say me le me si me nsudo wo. ana wuni bebi amasole wo montage no nkwaseafuo ne bedi Avraham ba Moshe achi mimpeni pa ba ye nyaachom o oni me kasaboko behind the scene now sign na asa wonya jagraja ye kama now say dia jagraja tem no de kasakwa wo di nyansa na edidi asofo ne ye mu a me nyansa na da Avraham ba Moshe otim e da mitrim be bro 300 bible musu utimi nyina manim obi anim se me ne wa ba debate ba ko me defeat you life utimi nyina manim bible mu seconds anaka se me ba social media agronti utimi nyina manim bible mu seconds scripture ba na ba da me achia kai o patro challenge ni enye bible ye bible debate uda na unim ana legacy ana me ma Jessica ma pasia wa wo 9 hwe wo ma eni ne hia wo se wo ko mfie 50 to 60 ayi mu 50 years mu hwenya se ne jimi no woni ma set me woni ma set wa ba me life abe patch say on kasenti ya me piem e dey na ko social media ye de obedi wo YouTube nti e se wo ya blogger ka kire ye na me ne wo tia enhia ne 101
ore Appiah stadium so e clash ye
apart from say ye na me ni party some one mo jawo me mu
Matthias here. Matthias,
me ma so le fo
very well.
Let me phone was in the so
Matthias,
ya one advice papa can mu no I this answer mu no on my
Oze would have so cow. Prophet.
Come next to me so
Prophet.
Me not pastor, me a prophet.
Fire would just say, the captain of person or kind of clear man who find who sign some prophet. All man cancer and then video now try was 8 o'clock and the fan will try video return bay. Video now or did he be my time say? Or be on Indian catch up, Pierre said himself, Father. Over Mamma Sono. Prophet to a jabber. Prophet,
fire oja obeye bi kakra wadaruma Prophet fire oja yedina owi a ye ubenya time na was worry back why but Appiah said dem yetie
what did you matter
that woni watam Appiah said dem
me na kwala na wo hwa me
fire oja
ko bi aso nya wa o di tim ni atam
fire oja
o chat no re
fire oja
o di ma royal TV fo
fire oja
di ma royal TV fo ana
fire oja me pato wo be di kakra ma Appiah studio makasa fire oja ye di kakra ma Appiah studio makasa
wa re no oja na makasa na fo no jino ya sa obwa wa di no anje sa de na ball knockout
Opening,
listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to the original prophet. Original prophet Appiah said is speaking right now. Not he, we are telling him, because I want to manage kasa. And you know what to do when you were going to school. I don't know to me, I'm going to say, wake up for you. Don't my parents in the church. Don't have that power. I want to do that again. Don't try on me. They can't catch low. I was your TV. One with your when you're Minister. I am in your hypocrite. Me the first one did you at the moment. You never pretend you already. I see the multiple channel. Now, if you did the man say, what Nabia Samuel damages suffer on the Diamano. But so won't be suffer on us, or I say. You have to be a prophet to politics. I mean, I would just have been in the Juma. If you are just between the should be a fake prophecy. But so we damn it, and then I've got bad woman. Why you obey that Barbara to? It was a Hebrew me. A Hebrew me. A curse someone. The cattle says, see, or the who for. If you don't joke, Appiah Stadium, say, we are politicians in your minister.
Prophet Appiah Stadium.
I'm only to say, well, come wrong meat. No one knew your boss doing it. And I'm idiot. But the first road, no, this for now. Me do that for most structures here. We will make the form that I took a commercial. Mr. Koduburu, also Koduburu, who's a boat here, Pamo. I'm not so going to be the idea. What's your every day? Or when a man make a year people. Fire, or when a man make a year people. Share now one, maybe beyond some. Now, for instance, now we talk about rough tactics. I'm at the demon of social media. Don't joke me. Don't try me. I'm a pillar of Zion.
Okay.
Software you be as to be dinner temwa. Now on and I'm a penny by cratching. But you guys are gonna afford the Agyimifuo. And more Ghana Hanum. Nkwaseafuo. No be kabitra no mujimia babete. Muge nkwaseafuo we no be kana adwentremo na mujimia bete. Nkwaseafuo kura. Se Ghana ye mo anebu hanu. Ghana msam o mo so san nkwaseafuo nso mo mutrimi o mu dan na na emehie. Ubekom no obi awu na me spiritual father. O spiritual man. He. Ahwans na kasa kura won tibi, ahwans na voice won tibi. Na gwati nyame ne. Mo fam nkwaseafuo mu free nipa so. Kira adwema me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media.